Alright. Oh, put it on properly then.
You tried to. It didn't work.
That's it. Behind Maisie's tail. Here comes the train, Maisie. Oh no, it's stuck on the bridge. Quick, let it go on the bridge.
I can't.
Oh, you mean I've got to do it? What happens when you don't?
I don't like this.
Alright, wait a minute.
I don't have this. Yeah. Maisie.
Oh no, she knocked it
Maisie,
off.
cats can't play with trains, alright? They can't play with trains, you can knock bricks down at the end. Yeah. Look, you mind your toe because the train will run over.
It's alright, the train will run it over. Here comes the train.